Hey, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maulana Umar Ibrahim, and today I would like to do a IT tutorial about how to make a app prototype in Kodular. Uh, so the app that we're going to make today is a simple app called a Talk to Me app. So I'm going to explain to you guys the important parts of the Talk to Me app. So we're not gonna get flashy, or we're not gonna get into designing the app. We're just going to review or to make the important parts of the Talk to Me app. So and straight into it. Go to your creator Kodular.io if you already have an account. If you don't already have an account, so make an account and create project name, talk to me, tutorial, yeah, and app name is talk to me, and then you don't need to change any of this. You can just click finish. You can change it later if you want to customize yourself. Like I said before, I'm not going to customize any designing of the app. I'm just going to explain the important parts. So first step, go to here and choose Samsung Galaxy S9 so that you can get the best phone, I guess. And yeah, so after that, you can start making what's inside the screen. First off, probably you can add a space. Oh, but first, set your screen alignment to center and top. So so first add your space and height probably around 15%, like so. And then after that, add in your text box, the normal text box, not the dynamic one, and put it inside, and probably change the height as well, maybe to 20%, and width to 80%, like so. But oh yeah, before that as well, change, you can duplicate this and then put a your logo in between. But for me, I'm just going to add a text saying logo, your logo here, like that. Change the size a little bit to 30, and alignment center and font bold. So so that's where, if you want to customize your app, you can put your logo here and make it yourself. And so after that, to the text box, change the hint into input here dot, and then input normal one, yes, and then text, no need text, and then text alignment left, that's right. So that is all done for the text box. After that, you duplicate space again, probably change it to 10%, and then now to add your buttons. The first is the reset button. So text reset, you can change the size as well, maybe 20%, not 20, 10%, no, 5%, yeah. And then the width, probably 20%, nope, 50%, yeah, no, 70%, yeah, it's like that. And then if you're done making the reset button, you can duplicate the space again, put it below the reset button, and then probably change the size, the height into 5%, so it's smaller. Then now we're gonna add a horizontal arrangement, not the scroll range, just the normal one. And then you can duplicate the reset button and put it inside the horizontal arrangement, center the alignments, and then height probably 20%, and width automatic. And then this you can change to make it a little bit narrow. Maybe the width can only be 35%. And then you can duplicate the buttons, and then maybe put a space in between, like that. Maybe you can change this as well to make it smaller. So yeah, like that, and then you can change the height maybe to 10% or 15%, not px, 15%. This one as well, change it to 15% and rename it from reset to record and reset to speak. So there's three main buttons for this app: reset button, record button, and the speak button, and also the input box. Don't forget to rename in the catalog the button one or the reset button, rename it into button reset, and the record button or button one copy is rename it to button record, and button speak or button one copy rename it to button speak. So yeah, three main buttons, one input box, and your logo here. And now we're gonna continue. Oh yeah, don't forget to also add a text-to-speech media, also speech recognizer media, and also some decoration utilities. So yeah, that's basically it. And now we're gonna go to the codes. So for the codes, first is when button record click. So we can go to scroll down and go to button record. In button record click do, it will call speech recognizer and get text. So to do that, you need to go to speech recognizer and this one, the purple one, and below it we're gonna add the code when speech recognizer after getting text. So when speech recognizer after getting text, the result will be you can go to uh, the input box codes, which is this one, text box, and the text. Where is text? Here it is, and then get result. So like that. And then after that, when button reset, so go to button reset. When button reset, click set text box 1 text 2, delete this, delete into text box input head, which means text box input head will be here and here it is. So that's three. One more is for button speak. When button speak click, oops, sorry. Yeah, so when button speak click, you will call talk to speech, I think. Yeah, yeah, call text to speech, and the message is text box one's text. So that's the codes, and now the last one is, I think, is when screen one, so this screen one, when screen one initialize, here it is. I'll put it up here. It will call speech, or no, not speech, text to speech country. Yeah, set text to speech country into USA. So the text to speech will have a American accent, or you can decide yourself. Either it will have a UK accent, but for the tutorial, I'm just gonna use the American accent. I think that is all the codes that you need. Yeah, these all the codes. But if you want to edit or you want to customize uh, your this talk to me app, you can add some decoration. Maybe you can set the shape of some oops. You can add some decoration. You can add your logo here. You can change the color of the screen. Uh, like theming here, you can change the color, primary color, accent color. You can do whatever you want. But in this video, I'm just gonna tell you. Oh yeah, don't forget to change the horizontal arrangement color background into none, so it will be invisible. So yeah, Like I said, I'm not gonna customize anything. I'm not gonna do any designing or put any logos or importing any logos because that will take too long. Like the last IT tutorial video, it took me about 30 minutes to make, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna tell you guys how to step by step the layout of a Talk to Me app and what's important, like an input box, reset button, record button, speak button, and all of the codes that is important. But if you want to customize yourself, you can customize even more. So this is just the main part or the important part of a Talk to Me app. And yeah, maybe that's all that I would like to say. I guess that's all. That's all for my Talk to Me tutorial. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry it's if the video is bad or whatever. I don't know. I'm sorry. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.